In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton VPN. If you already use Proton Mail, this is a great tool to add an extra layer of privacy to your everyday internet use. Proton VPN helps encrypt your device's internet connection, hides your public IP address, and makes it much harder for anyone on the network to monitor your activity while you work online. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the official Proton VPN app for your device. If you're on a desktop computer, open your web browser and go to protonvpn.com/download. From there, choose the version for your system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Download the installer, run it, and allow any system permissions if your device asks for them. If you're using a phone or tablet, open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Proton VPN by Proton AG and install the app from there. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Proton account credentials. You can enter either your Proton username or your primary email address, along with your account password, and then select Login. Make sure you type everything carefully so the app can connect properly to your account. After signing in, the fastest way to get protected is by using the Quick Connect feature. Look for the large purple Quick Connect button and click or tap it. Proton VPN will automatically choose a nearby server with low latency and connect you securely. When the connection is active, the interface should change from gray to green, which lets you know your traffic is now encrypted. If you want more control, you can also choose a specific country manually. In the app, scroll through the list of available countries in the sidebar or map view. Select the country you want, open its available server options, and then choose a specific server. This is useful if you want your connection to appear as though it's coming from another region. To improve your privacy even more, take a moment to enable the built-in security tools in the main dashboard. Turn on Kill Switch so your internet is blocked if the VPN connection suddenly drops, which helps prevent your real IP from being exposed. Then enable NetShield and set it to block malware, ads, and trackers. This can help clean up web traffic and may even improve browsing speed. If you have a paid plan, you can also enable Secure Core, which routes your traffic through multiple secure servers before it reaches its final destination. Finally, test that everything is working correctly. Open a browser and visit dnsleaktest.com. Check that the IP address shown there is different from your normal one and matches the VPN server country you selected. That confirms your secure tunnel is active and working properly.